Welcome to this quick showing and telling with minimal yelling on how to make a folded zine from PRPL. I'm your Teen Services Coordinator, Mel Edgar. Zine making isn't about rules or knowledge, it's about freedom and power. So what are zines? Zines are self-published mini magazines. You will need one piece of letter-sized paper. It's best to use letter-sized paper, since if you can find a copy machine, that's the easiest way to copy and distribute your zine. But I'm getting ahead of myself. First, let's fold some zines. There are possibly lots of ways to make a folded zine, and even more ways to make a zine. Maybe you know one. But this is how you can make a folded zine. There are 3 things to remember. So remember those 3 things? Hot dog, hamburger times 2, cut. What? Hot dog, hamburger times 2, cut. What? That's hot dog, hamburger, cut. So what is this hot dog stuff? So, step 1, fold the paper like a hot dog. Did you know that there was a word for the direction of paper folding? Hot dog. Fold lengthwise. Fold it so that the edges line up best as you can. Next, we fold the paper widthwise, hamburger style. We do this twice. Hamburger times 2. Thanks to Sonia Zagwin's hands for modeling these moves. So that's what that looks like. You fold it widthwise, hamburger style, a second time, hamburger times 2. Now the last step is cutting. So just unfold your zine and put a cut in that center hot dog wise fold, right in the middle. Follow the picture best as you can, that dotted line. So, what is this cutting all about? You're putting lines, folded lines, in your paper, giving an outline of what your book will be. So, what will your book be? So, you have a front page, a back page, and pages 1 through 6. Yeah, the cut helps it fold up a little flatter, and we're almost there with creating our folded zine. Okay, so we've learned about hot dog, hamburger, cut, and we're almost there. But we have to do that one more time, so let's go. So we refold hamburger style. We refold hamburger style times 2, once, twice again. So now you have your mini folded zine. The pages can fold up a little differently for everyone, so don't worry about that. If yours is not exactly like the picture, you can take a pencil and mark your front and back pages and pages 1 to 6 so you can fold it up the same way again, but it's not a big deal. You have your zine, it's yours to collage and draw and create anything about any topic. Awesome. And here's an example of a collage zine made with magazine pieces. That's awesome. Okay, that was a whirlwind. That was your quick tutorial on how to make a folded zine from the Powell River Public Library from your Teen Services Coordinator, Mel Edgar. Just remember, hot dog, hamburger, cut. Folded zines. See you later.